Hi everyone, welcome to the DIY Residence. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad that you stopped by. Today I'm going to show you how to put together 4 easy Valentine's Day projects using mainly items from the Dollar Tree as well as the Dollarama. So without further ado, let's take a look at how to make them. I'm creating this video as part of the DIY challenge hosted by Heidi Sonboul. If you don't know who Heidi is, please go watch her YouTube channel. She's amazing at what she does and she has so many inspiring videos on her channel. So once you're done watching this tutorial, please hop onto her channel as well. So for this first DIY, you would need some of these canvas artist canvases. It comes in a pack of 2 and I had 2 packs, and then using a utility knife you just want to score around and remove the center of the canvas. You want to save that for your project and then you want to remove the rest of it. Make sure when you're removing to be careful, just because the frame is very fragile and you don't want to break that, and then you can remove any of the leftover pieces as well. Then using some hot glue, you just want to glue back the part of the canvas that we kept, and then once that's done you can just flip over. Then I found these letter stencils at Walmart. It came in a pack and it cost about $6 and some change, and then I took the letters L, V and the letter E, and then using some black acrylic paint and a brush I just dab the paint so that we can get the letters out of the stencils. So just be careful because it's very easy to bleed through. Just hold as much as you can, and then if there is any paint that had actually bled through, you can wait for it to dry out, and then using some white acrylic paint you can just correct that at the end. I then took this small wooden heart shape as well as the felt heart shape, and then I hot glued those two together. Again, make sure not to burn yourself. These two comes from the dollar store. And then for the letter O, I changed my mind, so I used one of these wooden blocks that comes from the Dollar Tree, and I hot glued that to the center, and then I glued those two hearts to the center as well. I just wanted to get a different look, and I think this one looks better. Then using some hot glue, you can just glue those frames together, so putting 2 on top and 2 frames on the bottom so that you have a bigger frame at the end. Keep in mind that these frames are not all shaped equally, so when you put hot glue, you just want to hold them firmly in place until it dries so that you have the shape that you're looking for. Now you can leave this as is, but then I decided to use this metal heart shape that came in this Valentine's decor piece from the Dollar Tree. So I took one of those hearts and then using hot glue I just glued it to the center of the other 2 hearts. Now once that's done and everything is dry, just take some white acrylic paint with a small brush, and you want to clean out any of the areas where the black paint has bled through. So this is how it turns out at the end. I think it looks super nice with the rustic look of the bare wood as well as the staples showing. I think it looks super nice, and I hope you give it a try. The second DIY is really simple. You just want to take this decor piece and remove the center. This decor piece comes from the Dollar Tree, and then just using a ruler you just want to measure the inside part of the frame, and then using a gift bag. I found this gift bag from the dollar store, and I thought it went really well with the Valentine's theme. So you just want to cut out the square shape using your ruler, and then once you've cut down your shape using some hot glue, you just want to glue that to the center of your frame. I then used one of the Jenga blocks that comes from the dollar store, from the Dollar Tree actually, and then I hot glued one to the center of this frame, and then I used another one of those metal heart shaped, and then I placed that in the center. I actually end up using two Jenga blocks, so you just want to hot glue the heart to the center, and that's the end for this DIY project. So it was so easy to put together, and this is how it looks like at the end. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as well. For the third DIY, you would need one of these clear drawer organization unit, some white acrylic paint, and then once you've given 3 coat of the paint, just take some black acrylic paint and using cotton ball or even a makeup sponge, you can just paint the rims of this drawer unit just to give it some distressed look. I then took 2 packs of these planter or decor piece that comes in the party section of the Dollar Tree, and then I did the same technique using the black acrylic paint and the cotton ball, and I just painted the rims. I found it easier to remove the little handle that comes on the top, and it was so easy to remove and to put back together. So just roughly paint the rims of these little planters, and you would need 4 of them for the project. I used these wooden letters that comes from the dollar store as well as these wooden dowels, and then I picked out the letters L, V, and the E, and I used this heart for the letter O. Using some hot glue, you just want to glue the dowels to the back of the letters and to make sure they're secure in place, and then you want to do the same thing for the heart shape as well. Then using some of these green moss that you can find at the Dollar Tree and using some hot glue, you just want to cover the letters with the green moss. This part is going to get really messy and you just want to make sure not to burn yourself. Just go slow at this step, and once you're covering some part of the letters, just take your scissors and trim away the excess, and then keep repeating until you find that everything is completely covered. Then you want to hot glue your letters to the wooden cubes that you find at the Dollar Tree and hold it in place till they're secure. Then taking your tray, you just place those planters inside. It will be very tight, so make sure you find the right position to place them. And then I just fill the inside with some more of the green moss. And this is the final project. It was a bit messy and a little tight inside the tray, but the final product looks really nice on my buffet, and I think you should give it a try as well. Let me know if you enjoyed this project as well. For the last DIY, I used one of these wooden hearts that I got from the dollar store. And then using some white chalk paint and a brush, I just painted the heart with 1 coat of the chalk paint. I then took a sand block. I found this sand block at the Dollar Tree, and then I just lightly sanded the top of this heart frame so that the decal that I'm going to put on top would be easier to stick. I found this sticker at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use all the words of this sticker, but I'm just gonna place them so that it fits the heart shape. I then took some more of those Jenga blocks. I took 6 for this project, and then using hot glue, you just want to glue 2 together side by side, and then for the one that will be attached to the heart frame, you just want to put the bottom of the heart in between like a sandwich, and this hot glue that together. And then at the end you just want to hot glue all 6 of the blocks together so that it acts like a base to hold the heart. And this is how it looks at the end. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave my video a thumbs up if you did, and let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. And please don't forget to subscribe, as well as hitting the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.